Hello students, today I am going to explain a new concept that is bank. There are so many banks like commercial bank और central bank. बच्चों तुमने बैंक के बारे में तो ज़रूर सुना होगा क्योंकि इसके पहले तुमने जो टॉपिक पढ़ा है वो था मनी एंड सप्लाई ऑफ मनी. जहाँ तक सप्लाई ऑफ मनी है दैट इज़ द टोटल वॉल्यूम ऑफ द मनी जो कहाँ रहता है बैंक में सुरक्षित रहता है. तो आज हम लोग डिफरेंट बैंक के बारे में और डिफरेंट बैंक के कॉन्सेप्ट के बारे में पढ़ना शुरू कर रहे हैं. तो आप ध्यान देंगे कि क्या बैंक है. सो व्हाट इज़ बैंक? फर्स्ट विल डिस्कस अबाउट द कॉमर्शियल बैंक. A commercial bank is a financial institutions who accepts our deposits and advancing loan. फिर से देखेंगे. Commercial bank is a profitable financial institutions who performs the functions of accepting deposits from the public and making loans and investments with the motive of earning प्रॉफिट. तो कॉमर्शियल बैंक जिसको हम व्यावसायिक बैंक बोलते हैं. सवाल उठता है कि कॉमर्शियल बैंक क्या काम करता है. कॉमर्शियल बैंक के कई काम हैं. देयर आर मेनी फंक्शंस ऑफ द कमर्शियल बैंक. द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट फंक्शंस ऑफ कमर्शियल बैंक इज नंबर 1 प्राइमरी फंक्शन and number 2 secondary function. In the primary function the main function is accepting the deposits and advancing loan, and in the secondary function that is the transfer of value and the creation of funds. So there are different functions, but in this topic you have to read about one more bank that is known as central bank. The central bank is the apex institution of a currency holder. Again, I am telling you, the central bank is the apex institution of country's monetary system. The design and the control of the country's monetary policy is its main responsibility. India's central bank is known as Reserve Bank of India. ये तो हो गया central bank. Now the function of the commercial bank is credit creation. That is the main important function of the commercial bank. The commercial bank can create the credit of the customer. That is the main function. What is the credit? The credit is known as the amount to which the commercial bank kept in his own belief. So, regarding the credit creation, we learn some more thing like repo rate, reverse repo rate, and so many things. These all are related with the central bank. Number 1, like you know, that is the repo rate. The repo rate is the rate at which commercial bank borrow money from the central bank for short period by selling their financial securities to the central bank. One is repo rate and another one is that is known as reverse repo rate. So many things you have to learn regarding the central bank. That is the main important thing, and these are the terminology of the banking policy like CRR, SLR, and repo rate and reverse repo rate. Come to the reverse repo rate. Reverse repo rate is that rate at which the central bank RBI borrows money from the commercial bank. Again, I am repeating, the reverse repo rate, it is the rate at which the central bank RBI borrows money from the commercial bank. You will learn here the CRR and SLR. Dear students, if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. बच्चों, अगर आपको पसंद हो रहा है तो हमारे इस वीडियो को आप लाइक करें, शेयर करें और हमारे इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें ताकि आने वाले दिनों में और हमारे सारे काम